Now in this case, we are not told if the cylinder is an open cylinder or a closed cylinder. But whenever you are not told the exact type of cylinder, you are going to assume that it's a solid cylinder, that is a closed cylinder. Does that make sense? So we have total surface area of closed cylinder equals to, remember, don't forget the drawing. For closed cylinder, we have two circles, so pi r square, 2 pi r h for the curved surface area, and then we have pi r square. So if you add everything together, you should be having 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and if you factorize, 2 pi r comes out, and we are left with r plus h. Does that make sense? So we've got 2 pi r into brackets r plus h. What were we given from the question? We're told that the diameter is 10 centimeter. If diameter is 10 centimeter, it means radius is diameter over 2. Radius is 10 over 2. So radius is 5 centimeters. So we know radius is 5 centimeters. Then we're told that the height is 3.5 centimeters. So height equals to 3.5 centimeters. And we're told to take pi equals to 22 over 7. So pi equals to 22 over 7. We slot this into the formula. We have total surface area equals to 2 times 22 over 7 times 5 over 1 into brackets 5 plus 3.5. Does this make sense? Now if you look, there's nothing that can cut anything, so we just multiply. So we have total surface area equals to 2 times 22 is 44. 44 times 5 is 5 times 4 is 20, 0 carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Do you get that? So we have 220 over 7 into brackets 5 plus 3.5 is 8.5. Does this make sense? So if we like, we can divide. We have 7 here 1. 7 in 22 is 3. Remainder 1. 7 in 10 is 1. Remainder 3. 7 in 30 is 4. Remainder 2. 7 in 20 is 2. So we have approximately 31.42. Total surface area equals to 31.42 multiplied by 8.5. Does this make sense? So it means total surface area equals to 31.42 times 8.5 is 267.07, and then we've got centimeter square. This is the answer. Now don't forget that the total surface area of an open cylinder is pi r square plus 2 pi r h. You can now go on to factorize, and the total surface area for a closed cylinder, also known as a solid cylinder, is pi r square 2 pi r h. And if you add all together, you'll be having 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and then you can go on to factorize.